2026 Lexus ES, luxury evolves. The 2026 Lexus ES blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology for an experience unlike any other. Let's explore what makes this sedan a masterpiece of modern sophistication. Exterior design. With its bold yet refined design, the 2026 ES commands attention. The adaptive spindle grille optimizes aerodynamics, while Bladescan LED headlights adjust dynamically for perfect visibility. Every curve is crafted for elegance and efficiency. Powertrain and performance. Choose between a turbocharged 2.5L hybrid or the all-new plug-in hybrid, delivering 302 horsepower with seamless electric torque. The direct 4 AWD system balances power between wheels for unmatched stability, while predictive hybrid control maximizes efficiency based on driving habits. Interior luxury. Step into a sanctuary of omotenashi, Japanese hospitality. The 2026 ES features whisper-quiet acoustic glass, semi-aniline leather seats with massage functions, and a Mark Levinson 3D surround sound system for concert hall audio. The climate concierge adjusts airflow to each passenger's preference. Tech and connectivity. Lexus Next Gen Interface Pro features a 16-inch curved touchscreen, haptic feedback controls, and augmented reality navigation. The AI personal assistant learns your habits, suggesting routes, adjusting settings, and even ordering coffee ahead of your commute. Safety and autonomy. With Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, the ES offers Level 3 semi-autonomous driving, meaning it can handle highway driving hands-free. Advanced pre-collision with pedestrian detection, emergency steering assist, and remote park assist ensure confidence in every journey. Lexus is committed to a greener future. The 2026 ES uses eco-friendly materials, including recycled plastics and plant-based leather, while its solar roof helps power auxiliary systems. Drive knowing luxury doesn't have to cost the earth.